Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we have come up with a new chapter, an autobiography of a butterfly. An autobiography of a butterfly. Open page number 71 in your textbook. Listen to the video and follow it. So an autobiography of a butterfly. So what is the learning point of this lesson? The life cycle of butterfly. So you'll be learning the life cycle of butterfly. Some beautiful things come out of ordinary things. So from ordinary things, some beautiful things will come out. So to begin with, a story is a tale told about anything and by anyone. So what do you mean by story, children? Story is nothing but a tale. Okay, it's a story which is told about anything and by anyone. Okay, it is not like particular. It will be told about anything but by anyone. What do you mean by biography? Biography is nothing but it's a real life story of a person. Okay, which will be told by somebody else, that is someone. And what is an autobiography? Autobiography is the life story of a person. It's also life story of a person, but here it will be told by himself or herself. It will be said by the same person. So it's a life story of a person and it will be told by the same person. So this is meant by autobiography. So in this chapter, so you are learning about an autobiography of a butterfly, that is the butterfly itself, explaining about the stages of the butterfly, that is life cycle of a butterfly. So let us see the lesson. I have gorgeous and colorful wings. You can usually find me perched on flowers in lush green gardens and bushes. Now can you guess who am I? Who I am? Well, your guess is as good as mine. I am butterfly and my evolution is spellbinding. Now I am sure that you are dying of curiosity to hear the fascinating story of my life. So now here the butterfly is telling about himself. So he is telling that he have gorgeous and attractive and colorful wings, and also you can see that is perched. It is resting on flowers in the green gardens and bushes. So now you can guess who is it? It's a butterfly and the evolution is spellbinding. That is, the growth is holding the total attention, isn't it? Yes. Now everybody is waiting. That is, everybody in curiosity waiting to hear the fascinating story of the butterfly life. What do you mean by fascinating? That is interesting or attractive story of the butterfly's life. My mother laid some eggs on the leaf of a milkweed plant. It was her favorite plant and she thought the leaves would be good food for us when we hatch out. After several days, I hatched into a tiny larva. I had many siblings. At this stage, we were called caterpillars. So, the butterfly now it is telling that the butterfly's mother laid some eggs on the leaf of a milkweed plant. Milkweed plant is nothing but it's a herb plant, children. So it has a milky sap, that is milky liquid, which attracts all the butterfly. Okay. So even this butterfly also likes this milkweed plant and it's laid some eggs on the leaf of that plant, and it was a favorite plant of the butterfly's mother. And also the butterfly mother thought when they come out, when they hatch out, when the baby, the young one which is coming out of the egg, so it will be good, the leaves will be very good food for them. And after several days, what happened? From this egg, okay, the tiny larva it came out and that had many siblings, and this stage they were called as a caterpillars. Okay. I had many legs and I moved about the plant. I fed on its fleshy green leaves and kept eating all the time. Some of my siblings were of so hungry that they ate even the eggshells which they hatched from. I grew bigger and bigger. I was too big for my skin. Then I had to go through a process called molting. So what happened? Then this caterpillars, it had many legs and it started to move about the plant, and it started to eat all the fleshy green leaves, and it was eating, that is, it kept eating all the time. And some of its siblings, what did he do? Because they were so hungry, they also ate all the eggshell which they came out from that egg, that is eggshell we call them as. So even that also they ate it. And then what happened? This caterpillar started to grow bigger and bigger, and it was so big for their skin, and then they had to go through a process called molting. So what do you mean by molting, children? Shedding, that is falling off like the skin. It's like after some stage there will be shedding of leaves. So you know, right, the plants shed their leaves, isn't it? From the plants the dry leaves will fall off. The same way here also the skin of the caterpillar, it will shed off and to make a new skin. So the new skin will come. So that is why it will shed off. Okay, so that is called as a molting. I soon turned into a large grey, yellow and orange striped caterpillar. I now turned into the color of a plant I fed on, so no one could find me easily. Even if someone found me, my appearance was so scary that they ran away. I also grew hair and thorns to protect myself from animals. So soon what happened? It turned into large grey color, yellow and orange striped caterpillar. And then it turned into a color of the plant. What is the color of the plant, children? Green color, right? Later the caterpillar also turned into a color of the plant, and then because no one should find it easily, and even also if somebody found also, the appearance of the caterpillar was so scary that they would have ran away. And also it also grew some hairs and thorns to protect itself from the animals. I was tired of eating all the time. I needed some rest. I searched for a perfectly safe place to sleep. I found a safe place on the plant and crawled under it. I spun a pod of silk and fastened myself to the pod. I mounted once more, but this time instead of getting a new skin, I got a green bag. This was a pupa stage. Then what happened? It was so tired. The caterpillar was so tired of eating all the time, isn't it? The caterpillar eats all the time, isn't it? That is why it got so tired, and now the caterpillar needed some rest, and it started to see the safe place to sleep. And then finally the caterpillar found the safe place, that is on the plant, and it started to crawl under it. That is the crawling under it. And then the spun of pod of silk and fastened myself to the pod. That is, it started to turn round. Look at here, children. It started to turn round. Okay, a pod of silk, that is, it got elongated. It started to turn and it got elongated, and then slowly it started to mold, once again shedding of its skin. Okay, and this time what happened? The caterpillar didn't get new skin. This time the caterpillar got a green color bag. Okay, so that is called as a pupa stage. Okay, so this stage is called as a pupa. So you can see here, children, this stage is a pupa stage. When the right time came, the bag changed its color. It soon burst open and I emerged into the world. What happened? When the right time came, the bag changed its color and it soon burst open. It soon opened and the butterfly came out. That is, it emerged into the world. I was a fully grown butterfly by then, but my wings were still folded and damp. I allowed the air to dry my wings, and meanwhile I pumped all my strength into them. So what happened then? So it was fully grown butterfly and the wings was still folded, okay, and it was wet. So what did the butterfly do? It allowed the air to dry its wings, and also it pumped, that is, it's filled with energy, like full of energy, all the strength into the wings, and I was so confident I could fly. I quickly visited a beautiful flower as I was hungry for a sip of nectar. I drank nectar through my proboscis just as you drink juice from the straw. So then what happened? It got so confident, it started to fly, and quickly what did the butterfly do? He visited a beautiful flower because it was so hungry. So it wanted to have a sip of nectar, that is a sweet liquid which is collected by the plant. Okay, it started to drink the nectar. How did the butterfly drink the nectar? Through proboscis. So what do you mean by proboscis, children? So it had a long thin tube like structure through which the butterfly, it started to drink the nectar, like how you will be drinking the juice, isn't it? From using the straw, from a straw you will be drinking the juice, right? The same way, so even the butterfly through its proboscis, it started to drink the nectar. I looked very delicate, but I could fly up to 15 kilometers in an hour. My friends and I carried pollen grains from one plant to another. It might be very interesting for you to know that we butterflies taste with our feet. So what happened? The butterfly are so strong, children. Is the butterfly strong? No, right? It is so delicate. But still the butterfly can fly up to 15 kilometers in an hour. Okay, and the butterfly and its friends carries the pollen grain, that is the yellow powder which is produced by the flowers. It will carry from one plant to another. And also, children, it is very interesting for you to know that butterfly will taste with their feet. How do you taste, children? How do you get the taste? To your tongue, isn't it? But here the butterflies were tasting with their feet. Okay, isn't it so interesting? Isn't it, children? Yes, it is very interesting. My wings were beautifully colored. Wherever I flew, people stopped to look at me with wonder. I felt very proud of myself. I fluttered from one flower to flower and fed on nectar. The old gardener used to admire me. So the butterfly wings were beautifully colored, and whenever it started to flew, all the people were stopped and started to look at the butterfly with wonder. And also the butterfly was very proud of himself, and the butterfly started to flutter from flower to flower. So moving from flower to flower to feed on nectar. And the gardener also used to praise the butterfly. On a warm day, while I was gliding across in a garden, a sudden stark white light hit me in my face, which later I came to know was a camera flash. People were trying to click my pictures. After a few days, I noticed that all my friends were green with envy as my picture was put up in an exhibition. Oh, I was as cheerful as a lark. So what happened, children, on one warm day? Okay, so while the butterfly was gliding, that is, the butterfly was moving across the garden, and the sudden bright white light which hit on butterfly face, and then the butterfly came to know it was a camera flash. People were trying to take a picture of the butterfly, and what happened after the few days, all the friends of the butterfly got so jealous because the butterfly's picture was put up in an exhibition, and this butterfly was so happy and had a lot of fun. This is my routine, enjoying the warmth of the sun and making the most of it during the warm sunny days. and this is the regular routine of the butterfly, that is enjoying in the warmness of the sun and making most of it during in summer season, that is on sunny days. On the wet days, I hide in the bushes and wait for the sun to come out again. I hate cold weather. So on wet days, what happened? That is on the rainy season, the butterfly will hide in the bushes, and also it waits for sun to come out again because the butterfly hate cold weather. Now that it is almost winter, I hurry up and complete my autobiography. Now it's almost winter season. Okay, so now it says that I have to hurry up because now the winter season is coming up. So I have to complete my autobiography, for I might not be back for a long time, because I might not be coming back for a long time, because in winter season I hate cold season, the rainy and the winter season I'm going to hide in the bushes. So for a long time I'm not going to come. So when the warmness, that is when the during the summer season, I'll be coming back again. So what did you learn from the lesson, children? An egg passes through many stages and develops into a beautiful butterfly. Can you able to see this, children? Look here. So this is a life cycle of a butterfly. So what is the first stage? First stage is the egg. Next comes caterpillar. And next stage, the third stage will be pupa, and finally a beautiful butterfly. So children, now you got to know about the life cycle of butterfly, isn't it? Now let me read out the difficult words. Gorgeous, spellbinding, evolution, fascinating, caterpillars, molting, fastened, nectar, proboscis, admire, fluttered, exhibition, stark, envy, routine. Hope you understood the chapter, children. Practice reading the lesson and also practice the difficult words in the notebook.